Bureau Report DD News, Meghalaya.
Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar and CNRD Minister A.T. Mondal today launched the Ghar Tiranga campaign at the Raj Bhavan, Shillong. In his speech, the governor emphasized the campaign's goal of displaying the national flag in every household. He highlighted the significance of the campaign, which promotes patriotism and unity. The governor also acknowledged Meghalaya's contribution to India's freedom struggle, mentioning notable freedom fighters like U Tirot Singh's Aim, U Kyang Nangba and Pa Tokan Sangma. This day also saw the distribution of national flags and the launch of 2 books published by the Department of Art and Culture, U Tirot Singh and Braveheart and Champion of Freedom from the Hills.
Day comes closer in our country. A different enthusiasm is seen among the citizens. The main objective of starting the Ghar Tiranga Abhiyan was our visionary Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, is to encourage displaying the national flag, tricolor, in every house of the country so that national unity and pride of the can be increased.
The Health Department on Monday distributed